morning hoppers, welcome to MuchoHop. I checked in my bag, went through security, and today I'm going business. One of the benefits of going business is that you can go to the business lounge. They ask for your boarding pass to go in. It's a cappuccino. So you get free food, but you did pay for it in your ticket. I mean, it's okay. It's a nice lounge. It's comfortable if you get a table. There were a lot of people who didn't have a table and just sitting like in a comfortable sofa or a comfortable chair. So it's okay. It's all right. I'm fine also at the other place too, you know. But you do have to fight more like to get a table, to pay for your stuff. It's noisier, so I mean this is more relaxing. You have free Wi-Fi, you have free food that you pay by buying the ticket. You also have showers, and you have nice soap, a nice hand cream in the bathroom, that type of stuff.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are boarding our priority class passenger.
Okay, I'm in my seat. The seat is definitely more comfortable. It's wider, I have more legroom, and there's nobody sitting in the middle seat. Okay, let's check out this business lounge.
Micho, mogę. Thank you, business lounge.
Okay. So I'm having breakfast number 3. No, I'm not. I didn't have breakfast number 2, and I'm not having breakfast number 3. It's too much. But I am in the lounge. This one is bigger. It's brighter. This one. I like this one better than the one in Frankfurt. I just got a message on my app, on my Lufthansa app, that the gate is going to be L24. Very cool. You have lockers. And here's the screen. Okay, today I go business, so I go straight ahead. That's my plane. Isn't it cool? That's a big plane. It's an A380. You guys already know it. What a cool plane. It's the Airbus A380-800, and this one is New York. Suite is 12K. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. 12K.
12K on the other side to the right.
Thank you. Hello. Fancy seeing you here. This is amazing. I want to travel like this all the time. I'm going to show you the features around my seat, okay? Okay, to begin with, the seat is extra wide. And you have tons of leg room. My feet don't reach. You have bins for storage with these compartments. Then the screen is not like 6 inches away from your face. So here you have water and a little toiletry bag. I'll be playing with this later on. This is to operate the chair. You're going to be able to sleep, to lie down on this seat. So you have a little hook to hang things, like a bag or something, or a sweater maybe, and for your glasses. So look what they brought me. They addressed me by my name, Miss Hop, Mrs. Hop. And they asked me what I wanted to drink. I said some sparkling wine will do fine. Okay, I just got a menu. Let's see what I want. Beverages. Wines, beer. So here you have the tray table with the remote control, whatever it's called, the knobs. And here you have a place for the headphones. Here are the headphones. I hope they clean them. And they have a plug here so you can charge your electronic devices. And you also have a USB port. And look at these seat belts. They're wider here. In summary, it's a seat that is much bigger. You have a lot more leg room. You have a bigger area to leave your stuff. So it's a lot more comfortable. And I think the big difference is the service. So I'll show you guys that.
Your cabin attendants will also be happy to help you. We're now ready for takeoff, so please ensure that your table, the monitor and leg rest are stowed and secured correctly. Make sure that your backrest is in an upright position and your window shade open.
Too short.
We hope you enjoyed this flight with us.
Prepare for takeoff.
Crossing altitude and we finished our preparations. We will offer you aperitifs and a hot lunch followed by coffee, tea and liquors. After this, you will have the opportunity to purchase duty-free items aboard. Before landing in Miami, we will serve you a hot dinner. Beverages and small snacks are available at any time from the flight attendants. Should you have any questions or requests, please do not hesitate to ask us. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite you to relax and enjoy your flight. Have a pleasant trip with Lufthansa.
Another feature, it has a light here. Can I turn it on? I didn't turn it on. There, a light. You can adapt the headrest here very easily. So here's the toilet. I know you guys want to see what it looks like. Very simple. It's a little bit bigger than the others, but not much more. And it has fancy green. the chair has 3 positions. It has a seated position. It has a seated position, it has a reclined position, and it has a flat position. It's very easy to handle, and then you can adjust it however you want.
Also make sure that your seatbelt is firmly fastened. Every time, but premium economy was also good, but you didn't have the features of the seat that you can totally lie down and sleep. So now you guys can compare the two. This chair is magical. It was very comfortable. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to say goodbye now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Welcome to Miami, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt signs above you have been switched off.